and it's, English is, I don't know if you know this yet, but English is my second language. Normally I speak Finnish. It's very common in Finland. And English it's not easy for me always, like I have to watch my pronunciation all the time. I had a cough earlier and I went to the pharmacy and I said, I'm here for cough. And the guy said, excuse me, and I said, I'm here for cough. And he said, you for cough. And I said, yes, that is correct, yes. For cough, that's why I'm here. And then he asked me to leave, and I still have a cough.